50-bar cordless high-pressure cleaner, compact power for car and outdoor cleaning, for Makita 21 volts battery. Take control of your cleaning tasks with the 50-bar cordless high-pressure washer spray gun, a lightweight, portable, and powerful tool designed for car washing, bike cleaning, garden work, patio maintenance, and more. Powered by a Makita 21 volts battery, this water spray gun delivers the freedom of cordless use combined with efficient water pressure for all your daily cleaning needs. Gear Key features battery cordless convenience, Makita 21 volts compatible, works with Makita 21 volts lithium-ion batteries for hassle-free, cordless operation. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to full mobility around your car, garden, or outdoor space. Biceps 50-bar water pressure delivers up to 50 bar, 725 psi, of water pressure, powerful enough to clean car bodies and wheels. Outdoor furniture, windows and siding, bicycles and motorcycles, muddy tools and garden equipment. Cyclone multi-function spray nozzle, adjustable nozzle modes, jet, mist, fan, etc., for various cleaning tasks, from delicate rinsing to focused high-pressure sprays. Easily swap between wide area cleaning and targeted pressure. Droplet self-priming and portable design. Includes a self-priming hose with water filter so you can draw clean water from any source, buckets, lakes, tanks, or bottles. Compact design makes it ideal for use at home or on the go. Great for camping, traveling, or remote work sites. Soap bottle attachment. Comes with a foam cannon attachment to help you pre-soak your car or bike for easier grime removal.